Shalom. Today I'd like to show you a Bible code about the Shroud of Turin, and this shroud is kept in the Cathedral of St. John the Baptist in a city called Turin in Italy. Turin is here in the red, going down, and Shroud is in the blue, the same exact skip, going up. And that skip is 5,424. And so it is in a Roman church right now, and Rome is here in the blue, going down. The Shroud of Turin is one of the most famous or well-known relics of antiquity. And here we have the word famous, and antiquity is in this brown lettering, going across to the left. When people see this shroud, they automatically recognize it as being the image of a victim of crucifixion. And here is the word image, and it's right parallel on the left side of Turin. Crucifixion is in this teal lettering, going up diagonal. And then to crucify is here, again in the teal, going up diagonal. Now this image is almost like a photograph of the victim, showing the outline of his body and the marks of the crucifixion. This person was tortured, and it shows scourge markings. It even appears that he was wearing a crown of thorns, and he died the death of a mortal man. And this linen cloth was his ceremonial burial shroud. So photograph is here in this burgundy lettering, going down. Same skip as the access term. Outline or lineation is in this green lettering, just to the left of the word photograph. Tortured is this burgundy lettering, going up diagonal. Crown is in this purple. And thorny, or thorn-like, is in this very dark brown, going up diagonal. And death is here, and it's sharing some letters in some other words. Mortal, human, is here in this peach lettering, right beside Rome. Linen is here in this yellow, and ceremonial is here starting with this resh that's in the word crown. This is ceremonial here. Much scientific investigation has been done on the shroud. It has been subjected to chemical testing by expert chemists. Investigation is here in this light teal, and chemists is in this green. Chemical is in this green lettering, going up. This archaic relic has been well preserved. Archaic is twice. Both times they're sharing this aleph. So in the brown here. And then it's going to the right, starting with the aleph. Preserved is here in this fuchsia color 2 times. There and here. Both times going horizontal. And to burn or to scorch is in this orange color. And you can actually see on the shroud where it was scorched by fire, and then where the subsequent water damage happened when they saved it from the fire. Using a computer, they have been able to make a 3D image of the person that was in this burial shroud. The word computerization is here in this gold, going across to the left. And all of this testing that they've done on it has proven or showed quite conclusively that the markings on this shroud are not man-made in origin. Like it's not paint, it's not ink that has made these markings. So the word proved or confirmed is here in this green lettering going up. Many people believe this shroud is confirmation or authentication of the most amazing miracle in the history of man, the resurrection of Yeshua. We have the word authentication or confirmation here, and it's crossing over crucifixion. And the word amazing is in this blue, going up. We have Yeshua 3 times in this purple, and here, and here. And Messiah is down below at the bottom here, Messiah. And if you add the yod on the end, it's messianic. The forensic testing revealed that the blood on this shroud is the blood of a man, and the blood type is AB. Now in Hebrew, AB would be Aleph Bet, which spells Father. There's a verse in Acts chapter 20, verse 28 that says, "Therefore take heed to yourselves, and to all the flock, among which the Ruach HaKodesh has made you overseers, to shepherd the church of Elohim, which he purchased with his own blood." So that's actually saying that it is Elohim, or Yahuwah's blood, that purchased the church. So Yeshua's blood was actually the Father's blood as well. And here in this red, we have in the blood of the Father. And over here in the red is his blood, blood of him, and it's crossing over Yeshua. Some speculations of what produced this image, they're just guesses because this cannot be repeated like a scientific experiment in a laboratory. But some people believe it could be the result of the resurrection, where there was an explosion of light or heating or electricity. And so we do have those 3 words here. We have menorah as the light in this blue. Heating is here in this orange lettering. And his electricity is here in the peach. Now Yeshua died on the feast day known as the Passover, and Passover is right here in this black lettering, in the same line as Messiah. Colossians chapter 1 verse 15 says that he, Yeshua, is the image of the invisible Elohim. And looking again, there is the word image right beside Turin. Now here in the plain text of Scripture, it's quoting from Numbers chapter 16 verse 29, where it says, "Common death of all men." So Yeshua died the death of all men. And Hebrews chapter 2 verse 9 says, "But we see Yeshua." And are we seeing his image on this shroud? Perhaps it is. "But we see Yeshua, who was made a little lower than the angels for the suffering of death,